What you're looking at right now is not just a car, it's a rolling time capsule from an era when America built machines with confidence, optimism, and unapologetic presence. This is the 1964 Chrysler Newport Town and Country Wagon, and from the very first glance, it doesn't ask for your attention, it commands it. Before we even talk about numbers, engines, or features, take a moment to absorb the sheer scale of this machine. The length, the stance, the way the body stretches out with purpose, like it was designed to carry not just passengers, but stories, memories, and entire chapters of American life. In Monarch Blue, this wagon wears its color like tailored evening wear, deep, dignified, and impossibly elegant. The paint doesn't shout, it whispers class. Back in 1964, Chrysler wasn't chasing trends. Chrysler was setting tone. The Newport Town and Country Wagon was built for families who wanted more than transportation. It was built for people who understood that luxury didn't need to be flashy, it needed to be substantial. And this example delivers that philosophy in full. Slide closer and you'll notice the unmistakable Chrysler design language of the early 60s. Long, clean body lines, sculpted panels that flow effortlessly from front to rear, chrome that isn't excessive but perfectly placed, accenting rather than overpowering. The front end carries that classic Chrysler confidence, wide and composed, while the rear stretches out with a quiet authority that modern cars simply can't replicate. Open the door and you're immediately transported to a different standard of craftsmanship. This isn't a cockpit, it's a lounge. The leather interior welcomes you with the kind of texture and aroma that only time can create. This is leather that has lived, leather that has stories, leather that reminds you that luxury was once built to last decades, not lease cycles. The seating is generous, plush, and inviting, designed for long drives, cross-country journeys, and family adventures where comfort wasn't optional, it was expected. Every surface feels intentional, every detail feels deliberate. This is a space where conversations happened, road trips unfolded, and memories were made mile after mile. Turn the key, and that's where the magic truly begins. Under the hood lives a 361 cubic inch V8, a proper Chrysler big block that defines what American power felt like in the mid-1960s. This isn't about high-rev theatrics or modern turbo tricks. This is effortless torque, smooth delivery, and an engine note that feels more like a heartbeat than a roar. Paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is calm, confident, and incredibly composed. This wagon doesn't rush, it glides. The power flows through a rugged 8 3/4 inch rear end, one of Chrysler's most respected and durable differentials, known for strength and longevity. It's the kind of engineering that doesn't need to prove itself. It already has for over half a century. And then there's the driving experience. Power steering makes piloting this full-size luxury wagon surprisingly effortless, while power brakes bring reassurance and control. Add in factory air conditioning, and suddenly you realize this wasn't just a family hauler, it was a premium long-distance cruiser. In 1964, air conditioning wasn't expected. It was a statement, and Chrysler made it loud and clear. What truly elevates this example is the documentation. Receipts tell a story that words can't. They speak of care, of stewardship, of owners who understood what they had. This isn't a forgotten wagon dragged back from obscurity. This is a vehicle that has been valued, preserved, and respected. And that matters, especially today, because let's be honest, wagons like this don't exist anymore. Not in spirit, not in presence, not in purpose. Modern vehicles may be faster, quieter, more efficient, but they lack the soul that radiates from a machine like this. The 1964 Newport Town and Country Wagon represents a moment when American automakers believed the future was bright, the road was endless, and bigger truly meant better. Picture it cruising down the highway, sunlight reflecting off Monarch Blue paint, the V8 humming effortlessly, passengers relaxed in leather comfort, luggage packed neatly in the expansive rear. This wasn't about getting somewhere quickly, it was about enjoying every mile along the way. And now, decades later, this wagon stands as a symbol of that era. At $26,995 plus, this isn't just an asking price, it's an invitation. An invitation to own something rare, something authentic, something that turns heads not because it's loud, but because it's real. In a world filled with replicas, restomads, and modern reinterpretations, this Chrysler remains unapologetically original in spirit and presence. This is a car for the collector who appreciates understated luxury, or the enthusiast who understands Mopar heritage beyond muscle cars, for someone who wants to arrive with dignity, style, and a story worth telling. Because when you pull up in a 1964 Chrysler Newport Town and Country Wagon, people don't ask how fast it is, they ask where you found it. They ask who owned it before you, they ask what year it is, and most of all, they ask if they can take a closer look. This isn't transportation. This is rolling architecture. This is American confidence on four wheels. This is the golden age, preserved in steel, leather, and V8 thunder. And if you're the kind of person who knows that true luxury doesn't need to announce itself, then you already understand why this wagon matters. What's up, everyone? If you appreciate rare classics, timeless design, and machines that tell real stories, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned, because cars like this don't come around often, and when they do, they deserve to be remembered.